All right, everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a simple number guessing game. Let's declare our variable int num. Our number will be randomly, okay? And second variable would be int guess, okay? This variable will hold the current player guess, okay? And next variable would be int tries. And how many tries is it going to take? Okay, this will hold that. The user to guess the correct number, we will be using the sran function. Then we have to write here sran. sran. Okay, and one more important thing, that this is the C programming library. We are doing this program into C++. Then we have to write here include IO stream. Okay, this function will generate some random numbers. Okay, sran. Let's just pass the time in sran. Then write time. Okay, then pass null. Okay, we will assign our num variable, that would be ran function. Ran function. It would be from 1 to 100. Okay, then write modulo 100. Then add 1 in this function. Why we are adding 1? Because I want this function to give value from 1 to 100, the random number between 1 and 100. Okay, with the num, just for some decoration, I'm going to create a title for the game. I'll just write here standard colon cout, then column, then just couple of hash number guessing game. Just again couple of hash, then semicolon, and make sure to add new line comment right here. I'll place all of this code within a do while loop. Let's type here do while, then while, right? Then write guess not equal num. We have the user type another guess. Okay, there would be prompt. Let's just write that prompt. That would be, what would be the prompt? Prompt would be standard cout, enter a guess between 1 to 100. Okay, semicolon. Let's just take input, whatever user type, standard colon in, then what would be in? That would be guess. Once the user type in a guess, we will increment our tries variable by 1 to keep track of the score. Then just write tries plus, just write here tries plus plus. Okay, now we will have to examine the guess versus the number. If just write let's go write the condition after this. If guess is greater than num, then what it should do? Standard cout too high. Okay, just new line and semicolon. And next, what we will write after if, then we will create else if num is guess is less than num, then what we need to do, we need to type standard C out, and it's too low. Okay. Now we will have third condition, else. What will be the condition if the guess is not above the number and the guess is not below the number? Then what we need to do, the guess is not below the number, the guess must be equal to the number. Next would be the last statement, that would be else. Okay. What will be in else, standard colon C out, correct. We will write here correct. We will display the number of tries, the number of tries. What will be of tries? Okay, just write here tries. We will display our tries variable. We will add new line comment. Just go ahead and add here new line comment also, and then semicolon. Okay. And now I'll just add a line of text for the decoration. Just copy this line on the top and paste it on the bottom once we exit the game. Here on the bottom, right here. We have to just remove this, and we have to just go ahead and make in this way. That should be everything. Let's just go ahead and try and run this code. And now if you can see that we have two error. Why we have error? Because the main thing we have missed here, this one, this bracket, and now we have also missed right here. And now just hit run and see here, there you are, number guessing game. Now enter a number, enter a guess between 1 to 100. Let's type 67. Hit run. Too high. Let's type 2. Too low. Let's type out of this range. 122. Too high. Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay, let's type 0. It's too low. Let's type -1, 2. It's too low. Okay. See, whenever you will type 77, too high, 42, too low, 65, low, 68, high, and there you are. Once I type the 68, what it's giving you, that correct number of tries. Okay. Let me again just go ahead and guess 68. 68 too high, 67 too high, 69 too high, 65 too high, 62 too high, 50 too high, 44 too high, 1 2 too low, 50 32 too low, right? It works. Okay, everybody. That is a simple number guessing game involving the use of do while loops and generating random numbers. If you like a copy of this code, I'll post in the comment section. Do down below. If you are really enjoying this series, please let me know by pressing that like button and leave a random comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you like to become a programmer. Please do follow the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.